So the next key player in mutual fund companies are the fund accountants and the auditor. The fund accountants maintain accurate records of fund transaction, net asset value calculation, compliance with the reporting, and the auditors conduct independent audit to ensure financial accuracy and the transparency. So if you see fund accountants and auditor, they just go for annual accounting or annual statement which is prepared, which shows a clear investment, the return expectation, the return coverage, and the transaction which is funded, and the net asset value calculation, and the asset management company, how they manage things, complaints, the report, everything is fund accountant will maintain, and this been audited by independent auditor to ensure financial accuracy and transparency in the asset management company. Then you have a transfer agents. So the agent, the company responsible for maintaining investors record, processing transactions like purchases, redemption, and the dividend. So the transfer agents always will record the classification of the purchase being made, the redemption, number of days, number of years have been expected, the dividends expected, dividends return. This agent will calculate the total purchase and the dividends declared. The role of these transfer agents are handle the back office operation of mutual fund, generate account statements, report for investor, right? All these are classified in the transfer agent. Then there are multiple companies too. Also, you have a fintech company, you have a computer shared global level, where this kind of agent who will take the responsibility of AMC and they become a responsible for maintaining investor record. The transfer agent maintain the record from one fund to another fund, switching funds or swapping of funds, process transactions or the fees collected. Right, they handle as in back of the operations in the mutual fund. So all these are classified when it's come for fund management. So generating of account statements and report for those kind of investors. Coming to the next slide, you have a marketing and research team. And one of the player in the mutual fund, uh, where a market team generate and it creates a campaign to promote the funds and attract the investors. Today, uh, any company, if they want to raise the capital, they need to go for different type of campaign to get the promotion, promoting of those funds to get attracted to the investor. So marketing team has to do research and educate potential investor on the benefits of mutual funds. And today you might be seeing the uh, it might be in the business apps or business magazines or television or online or through mail or social media platform or online platform where everywhere you can see that how marketing teams are playing a major role, creating one marketing trend, creating research and creating based on the theme, and they just go for educating potential investor to buy and sell and getting the benefits of those mutual funds which have been invested. And the research team analyze the market trend, uh, analyze the industries, the security to support the fund manager. The research team also provide detailed insights about the risk and return metrics. If you've seen, there was a global survey that says that every 10 years, 10 to 12 years, there will be economic crisis or there will be market crisis. So based on the control in the economy, market crisis will take place. So here the research team just go for analyzing the market trend and they update for AMCs about the industry, security, supported fund managers to provide insight on risk and return metrics. Then coming to the technology providers here, the tech platforms, the tools enable digital transaction, portfolio tracking, customer service for mutual fund operations, and the role or kind of a automate process like a net asset value computation, KYC, know your customer verification, online transaction, and the tech platform tools enable digital transaction, portfolio tracking, and customer service. Today, customer service and digital transaction are play important role. Why? Because they are on the online platform where zero cost. Only thing is that updation of technology become a key criteria, the component for every technology provider. So provide robo advisor service for personalized fund recommendations. So and today you might be having an automated robo advisor and they just keep on advising you about and they just informing about that which fund is available, why, when, where, and how these funds can be multiply invested, reinvested, and supplied for future in different way. So it provides the advice service for personal fund recommendation. You have a camps in India, Pled USA, Morningstar, and the Global Financial Research. They are the technology providers, so sharing the information, computation, verification of online transaction, and knowing about the customers. Then yeah, with the final slide about one of the key players about mutual fund is the stock exchange and the industry association. So here, the platform where mutual fund unit are traded in the stock exchange and provide secondary market for ETF and close-ended mutual funds, ensure liquidity, price discovery. The ensures enough liquid, enough price discovered in the market, and they have been attached with the industry association organization representing the mutual fund industries. They have a specific role, like they advocate for the industry interests, regulators, and the government. They educate the public, they promote the best practices. Association of Mutual Funds in India, AMFI, and US Investment Company Institute. So if you see, uh, there are terms of regulations, SEBI mutual fund, and there are different sponsors for to contribute. Uh, Association of Mutual Fund (AMFI) website lists the names of all the asset management company, which members of AMFI. Then in terms of category of a sponsor, bank, institution, private sector, within the bank of predominantly Indian joint venture, similarly within the private sector, all these are classified under AMFI, so as a Association of Mutual Fund, and they just go for giving kind of advice as a key player under industry association. So here comes end of the first chapter. All need to go for total uh, 13 different PPTs, and it have been uploading with this example. So all need to go through for this link, and just go for the task 1, task 2, task 3. Wherever a task is given, videos are played, you need to go through for that. Your examinations have been fixed based on the tasks which have been assigned to you. So thank you all. We'll see you in the next class.